I was chatting with a client this morning regarding infrared roof scans when I realized that there is a misconception when it comes to infrared roof scans. I mean, these cameras, these infrared cameras are very expensive, but they actually do not tell you or point out where the wet areas are. You have to be a certified trained technician. These cameras, they look at the surface temperature of the roof, they look at the surface thermal radiation, and that is what they detect. You have to be able to read this information, decipher it, and translate it into a usable report. Even experienced technicians, when I watch them do this survey, any areas they suspect wet, they mark as suspect, and then they go back with a moisture probe and they physically insert a probe into these areas to double check and to verify that in fact the insulation is wet. So yes, infrared roof scans are vital tools. We use them all the time for maintenance, to verify repairs, even for quality control. After a roof has been replaced, we do an infrared scan to make sure that there is no moisture getting into the system at key terminations or upturns or projections. It is a great tool, but you have to make sure that whoever is providing you with this service, whoever is behind the camera, they are certified and trained to use this device to make sure that the report that you're getting is accurate. Because don't forget, in some cases you're basing million-dollar decisions on this report. I mean, the big thing right now, trying to save money, value engineering. Do a scan, and if the insulation is all dry, then let's just leave it in place and only replace the membrane. Now imagine if you base your decision on this, but when you do the tear-off of the roof, you realize that half the insulation is wet. Now you're paying premium to replace this wet insulation. So again, it is a great tool, but you may have to make sure that whoever is using it, they're qualified and trained to do so. That's all I have for you today. I thought this would be a good little segment. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. Thank you.